Okay. During Diwali, you must have seen, बहुत सारे bulbs खरीदते हैं हम लोग. उसमें से intertwined black और red color का रहता है, कभी देखा है? So that is, one is live and one is neutral. उसमें और कोई वायर नहीं होता, उसमें टूपी नहीं होता है ना, उसको बाहर जो बल्ब का हम लोग गुच्छा लगाते हैं कभी.
तो टच होता है ना लाइव और
लेकिन उसमें इंसुलेटर है ना, टच कैसे हुआ? वो सारे एक साथ ही पास करते हैं हमेशा. अंदर भी हमारा जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डक्ट्स जो है घर के, वो भी ऐसे इंटरट्वाइंड ही रहते हैं, 3 wires और 2 wires. But they don't touch each other. Why? Because there is a thick insulator coating. इतना थिक अगर वायर हो, उसके अंदर से 2-3 ही वायर जाता है. कोटिंग हुआ तो उसके अंदर से 2-3 ही वायर जाता है. तो वो इंसुलेटर कोटिंग की वजह से ही they don't touch each other. So are you understanding how close they are to each other? तो रेड वाले वायर से बल्ब पे जाता है, and then from the black wire it comes up. That is the neutral. Do you understand? So we need a certain color coding or not for every wiring system. सारे सेम कलर के हो तो कैसे पता चलेगा where should the current enter from? Right? So we need to see when I am making the circuit, when I am the electrician who is actually making the whole circuit of the house. बना तो दिया मैंने, I can color code it in the same light. सब कुछ रेड बना दिया, सब कुछ पिंक बना दिया. Because whichever wire the current is entering through is always the live wire. मुझे पता है किससे enter कर रहा है बनाते वक्त. While I'm doing the construction, I know from which wire I'm going to connect the circuit. So I know from which one it will enter. उसी में fuse लगा दिया, उसी में switch लगा दिया, बना दिया. But what about repairs? मैंने तो बना के I went, भगवान भरोसे. But when we have to do repairs, how will the other person who comes in for the repair understand which one is live, which one is neutral, and which one is your early? Very important to know the difference. So, old convention मतलब पहले होता था ये. We had live wire was always red, neutral wire, can you guess? Black. And earth wire was green. But now we have gone woke and now we need international conventions. International convention is live wire is brown. I have no idea क्या मजा आया red से brown, but it's brown now. Here it is light blue. And earth is either we use green or we use yellow. ये conventions याद रखना, MCQ में आएगा. Did you understand the conventions? What are the safety precautions? Now we have understood almost all the components of घर का electric circuit का. Theoretically we can make it or not? Yeah. Now we can make a circuit, right? This is what is needed of this chapter. Theoretically at least you should be able to make a circuit. Next we come to what are the precautions. For any electrical appliance, all these precautions are valid. Do not touch any appliance or any switch with wet hands. Right? We also, that also means that we should cover our legs, feet with rubber slippers, because that also doesn't let the loop get complete. Isn't it? Now, why is a fire caused? Can anyone tell me how is fire caused by electricity? Resistance works on which principle? Fuse works on which principle? The heating effect of electricity. So can I say there is a heating effect of current? So if the amount of heat passing through the circuit, let's say the circuit is overload. If it is overload, appliance का तो छोड़ो, गया appliance. But there is a huge amount of electricity or electricity that is passing through the circuit. So it will have a higher heating effect. Because of that heating effect, we can experience sparks, even fires. Okay, so what are the two things we have to always avoid? Electrocution by touching and fires. These are the most important things that we have to avoid at any cost. Okay, fire is caused when there is overheating on the lines or cables for various reasons such as break of insulation, short circuiting, basically heating effect of electrical. To avoid it, one must use wires which has current carrying capacity more than the one which is actually given to you. That is what? For every appliance there is a certain current rating. The wires should not be at the same current rating. The wires should be much higher. क्योंकि अगर अगर थोड़ा ज्यादा करंट पास किया वायर भी मेल्ट हो जाएंगे नहीं तो, isn't it? So the wire should definitely have a higher current carrying capacity than any appliance in the house, so that we don't lead to overheating of that wire. We should have a wire which has a very high melting point. That is what the whole mudda is here. Electric shock may be caused in an appliance due to electric shocks are up to electric shocks किस वजह से लग सकते हैं? Can you give me reasons?
इंसुलेशन खराब हुआ
Insulation खराब हुआ तो
Fuse खराब हुआ।
So what is the first thing? Poor insulation,
फ्यूज भी नहीं होगा तो
absence or faulty fuse, what else? No earthing or faulty earthing. Or faulty earthing. No fuse is provided, no earthing is provided in the appliance. Local earthing है सोच, लेकिन इक्विपमेंट में earthing नहीं है, तो मतलब हुआ उसका। इक्विपमेंट में हर इक्विपमेंट में मेरे घर पे earthing है। I only use 3-pin plugs, but there is no local earthing. क्या फायदा? Understood? These are the safety precautions that we have to take. ये सब पढ़ लेना अच्छे से. There are no numericals in this chapter. There are no numericals in magnetism. मतलब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का 10 to 12 मार्क्स का न्यूमेरिकल सिर्फ एक ही चैप्टर से. First. Is it clear? Another thing to know, now I have a few questions for you. 5 minutes and then I will give you a short break. If there is a connection something like this. Okay, this is connected to the mains. This is by live wire and this is by neutral wire. Okay, so when current passes through this wire, both of them are, can I say line AB and PQ are parallel to each other?
Yes.
But these two are in series with each other. मैंने किया change. Series with each other. So can I say when the current passes through this circuit, both the bulbs will glow? So just the opposite question of what we did in the dual switch system. Can I say if I want to use just one switch for two appliances, how do I have to connect them? In series. समझ में आया? तीन appliance मुझे एक ही switch से काम कराना है. All three should be in series to each other. Understood? ये दोनों are in series. These two are in series, but these two and these two are in parallel. Got it? This is a very important thing to know. Here, which of the bulb? Let's say there are three bulbs here, right? So which of the bulb is going to be the brightest?
AB.
Correct. Why? Because the entire current, this is also getting 220 volts. Volts पे whatever is the current.
Divide हो रहा है.
इधर दोनों के बीच में divide हो जा रहा है कि नहीं? So it will be faint. Here it is getting, the whole thing is getting the same amount as these two are getting. So this is going to be the brightest for me. Understood this reasoning? Next thing, I have another question. This one. बस यही तुम लोगों को एक चीज बता रहा हूँ. Be very careful about this. Always remember, live wire कहाँ से enter कर रहा है? Live wire is the one that enters with the current. Neutral wire is the one which exits. All right? Always remember, body का appliance का body कैसा है? उस हिसाब से they may ask question. Which of the appliance will need a 3-pin plug? Ideal situation में तो सारे body इसको 3-pin plug देना चाहिए था ना. But all of them have to be connected to the earth. And that means the earth or earthing, the local earthing also has to be made way more potent, isn't it? सबके सब earthing होए जा रहे, then that also you have to increase the potency of that earthing also. And copper wire already so thick, so it is not very cost effective. So the things that are made of plastic or fiber, we don't use any kind of. Because the shock, anyways, the current entering our body is going to be a sinusoidal alternating current. We use adapters in mobile. We use adapters in laptop. Why? Because the frequency will get affected if we use alternating current. On off होगा. It will affect your graphics card. Anything that works on graphics card is going to need always and always, the semiconductor is always going to need direct supply of current. So to convert the alternating current to direct current, we are going to need an adapter. Secondly, because we have alternating current entering our house, even if we get a shock in the second cycle when the loop is coming down, when the graph is coming down graphically, we will be released. So थोड़ा shock लगेगा, but release भी हो जाएंगे, पकड़ के नहीं रख लेगा हमको. Direct current नहीं लगाते इसीलिए, to save our lives. Understanding? Understood the chapter?